Problem 19 has me taking a look at a sequence here and wondering if 435 is a term in that sequence. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at my sequence generator, or the equation for it. You can hopefully tell here that this is going up 8 each time, so I'm adding 8. So my first term is 3, my common difference is 8, and minus 1. What I'm going to do with that then is I'm going to take my term here, 435, and substitute it in for t of n. So 435 equals 3 plus 8 times n minus 1. When I solve it for n, that'll tell me the term that gives me 435 as an answer. If I do not get an integer for that, if I get a decimal, that means it is not a term, because in sequences you cannot have decimals as terms. So you need to have integer terms. So I'm going to go through and subtract the 3, divide by 8. So I get n minus 1 is going to end up equaling 54, which is now an integer. I add the 1, and n is 55. So it is, in the sequence, it is then the 55th term.